Hello, gals and guys. Welcome back to the Big Sweep. Today, we're about to unlock 21 home hacks that really work. We're talking 21 game-changing home hacks that are so good, you'll want to share them with everyone you know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy these hacks. And let us know in the comments below which hack is your favorite, and if you have any of your own hacks you'd like to share. Have you ever been about to tackle a DIY project only to be stopped by a stripped screw head? It's one of the most frustrating things that can happen when you're in the middle of a project. You try and try, but the screwdriver just keeps slipping, and you feel like giving up. But fear not, because I've got the ultimate hack that will save your day, your project, and your sanity. All you need is a simple rubber band. Yes, that's right, a common household item that you probably have lying around. Place the rubber band over the head of that stripped screw, pressing it firmly into place. Make sure it covers the entire head of the screw so it can provide maximum grip. The rubber provides that extra grip you need, allowing your screwdriver to finally get a good bite. With this simple trick, you can turn that stripped screw with ease and get back to completing your DIY project in no time. So next time you face a stripped screw, remember, a rubber band is your best friend. We've all been there, hammering a nail and suddenly picturing our thumb turning blue. But fear not, because we've got the perfect hack to keep those fingers safe. Grab a clothespin, the same ones you use for laundry. Just clip the clothespin around the nail, using it as a shield between your fingers and the hammer. Listen up, pet lovers. We adore our furry friends, but their hair can take over our homes. Vacuum cleaners are great, but sometimes you need extra firepower. Enter the humble squeegee. This bathroom staple is about to become your secret weapon. Simply run the squeegee along your carpets using short, swift strokes. Let's face it, in this digital age, we're all drowning in a sea of cables. But fear not, because we've got the ultimate hack to conquer that cable chaos. Grab some binder clips. Clip the binder clips to the edge of your desk, then thread your cables through the metal arms. Voila! No more tangled messes, just pure, organized bliss. Let's talk about microwave grime. It's that sticky, stubborn mess that seems to appear out of nowhere, turning our once pristine microwaves into a nightmare. It's the silent enemy, lurking in our kitchens, hiding in plain sight, and making every meal preparation a little less enjoyable. But fear not, because we've got a natural solution. No need for harsh chemicals or expensive cleaners. Grab a lemon, slice it up, and toss those citrusy heroes into a bowl of water. The natural oils and acids in the lemon are powerful cleaning agents. Microwave the bowl for a few minutes, allowing the steam to work its magic. The steam will soften the grime, making it easier to clean. The citric acid in the lemon will loosen that stubborn grime, making it a breeze to wipe away. In just a few simple steps, your microwave will be sparkling clean and smelling fresh, ready for your next culinary adventure. We love our furry friends, but sometimes their hair clings to our furniture. It can be a real hassle to keep our homes clean and free from all that pet hair. But fear not, because we've got an effective hack that will make your life so much easier. Grab a rubber glove, the kind you use for washing dishes, and dampen it slightly. Make sure it's just a bit wet, not soaking. Run your hand over your furniture and watch as the rubber glove attracts and traps all that loose pet hair. It's almost like magic. It's like a lint roller on steroids. You'll be amazed at how much hair it picks up, leaving your furniture looking spotless and fresh. We treat our cars like precious jewels, but sometimes those garage walls have other plans. But fear not, because we've got a simple hack. Grab a pool noodle, the kind you use for summer fun, and cut it to the length of your car door. Attach the pool noodle to the wall at door handle height, and voila! You've created a soft protective barrier. Nobody likes streaks on their windows or mirrors, but sometimes traditional glass cleaners just don't cut it. But fear not, because we've got an effective and eco-friendly hack. Grab a coffee filter, the same ones you use for your morning brew. Coffee filters are lint-free and surprisingly absorbent, making them perfect for streak-free glass cleaning. Struggling to find the right cleaning supplies under your sink? Grab a hanging shoe organizer, the kind you hang on the back of a door. Simply hang it on the inside of your cabinet door and use those individual pockets to store your cleaning supplies. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more clever home hacks. Tell us in the comments below which hack is your favorite. Barbecue lovers, it's time to take your condiment game to the next level. Grab a muffin tin, the same one you use for baking. and place your various condiments in the individual muffin cups. Have you ever been carrying groceries, struggling to open your door, only to have it slam shut? Grab a rubber band, those trusty little wonders, and wrap it around the door handles, crossing it over the latch in the middle. This will keep your door ajar and ready for your grand entrance. Behind our TVs and computers often lies a tangled mess of power cords. But fear not, because we've got a simple hack. Grab some bread clips, those humble little fasteners, and label each one with the name of the corresponding device, then clip them onto the cords. Under sink storage is a constant battle against clutter, but fear not. Grab a tension rod, the kind you use for shower curtains, and install it horizontally across the inside of your cabinet. Hang your spray bottles from the rod by their triggers. Knife blocks can be bulky, but fear not. Grab a magnetic strip, the kind you use for holding photos on the fridge, and mount it on your kitchen wall. Stick your metal knives to the strip. Ceiling fan cleaning can be a messy chore, but not to worry. We have a hack that will make it a tidy little task. Grab a pillowcase, the one you were about to sleep on, and slip it over each fan blade, one at a time. Wipe firmly from the inside out. Struggling to open a stubborn jar? Grab a rubber band, those little lifesavers, and wrap it around the lid. The rubber band creates friction, making it easier to twist that lid off. Boot storage can be a challenge, but fear not. Grab a pool noodle, those colorful summer staples, and cut it to the height of your boots. Insert a piece into each boot to help them maintain their shape. Clogged drains are the worst, but fear not. Grab your vinegar and baking soda, those pantry staples, and pour a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by a cup of vinegar. Let the mixture fizz for about 30 minutes, then flush with hot water. Sponges can be breeding grounds for bacteria if not properly dried. Grab a clothespin, those trusty laundry helpers, and clip it onto the bottom of your sponge. Stand it upright in your sink or on a dish rack. Packing a suitcase can be a game of Tetris. Grab a shower cap, the kind you find in hotels, and slip each shoe into its own shower cap. Pack them alongside your clothes. Chopping vegetables can be dangerous if your cutting board slides around. Grab a damp paper towel and place it on the countertop. This creates a non-slip surface for you to place your cutting board, making it easier and safer to use. And there you have it, folks. 21 mind-blowing home hacks that are guaranteed to make your life easier. Leave us a comment below and let us know which hack or hacks are your favorites, and if you have any of your own that you'd like to share. If you enjoyed these hacks, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to The Big Sweep and ring the notification bell for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.